Hello everyone, Maximilian here, coming up in the next video. In this video, I'll be showing you quickly and easily how you can purchase such items on CNFans and save yourself some money. So yeah, follow my steps and I'll show you a quick step by step how to purchase items on CNFans in 2025. Let's get started. By the way guys, if you're looking for a lot of links with high quality products, check out this Panda Buy Finds group on Telegram. You have the link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment section. This group has 630,000 users. There's loads of different links with high quality products. Okay guys, and just like this, here we are on the CNFans website. Right over here you have the searching tab where you can search for an item. And yeah, here are some guides and more items to be checked. You also have the Discord community, so I highly recommend you guys checking out the Discord community here. Yeah, so let's just search for a product. Let's paste in the link. You have the links for a lot of products in the description of this video, and also if you want to find some more items, there are also different websites such as my website or the Discord community, which I highly recommend you guys checking out. Let's paste the link in, let's see how it all looks like. Just like this guys, here we have the High City Pods link with the one-to-one headphones, AirPods basically. Let's select the version of the product we want. I want this V5.3 TB version for $65.99 US, and this is how it all looks like. As you can see, the pictures, they look like this in the pictures. And let me purchase like 2 units exactly, and let's just purchase them. So let's check agree and let's add them to the cart and let's buy them. And as you can see here, we have the disclaimer saying that you will receive the QC pictures and how it all looks like. So yeah, let's just confirm that you agree, and just like this, let's just purchase the product. So let's click on I have read and agree, and here let's proceed to the checkout. And as you can see now, you can use a lot of different payment methods. You can use the debit card or Skrill, Google Pay, and also the balance. I'm using the balance because I have lots of money there, so let's just use the balance. And just like this, as you can see, it's paid now, so the payment is completed and I will receive my items soon in the warehouse where I can just ship them internationally. And then once the products get arrived at the warehouse, you will receive the QC pictures. You will receive anywhere between 3 to 7 QC pictures for the product. And yeah, as you can see here, I have some Sony Angels, and this is how it all looks like. They arrived in the warehouse. Yeah. And also, as you can see here, you can receive some free parcel gifts on the CNFans. They are just running a sale where you can literally get free items on CNFans. This is how it all looks like. You can trade your points, for example, for some shoes and items. Basically, there are loads of items, and just like this, you just need to pay the freight for the items. And here you have the QC pictures of each of the items. And just like this, people, be free to just use the CNFans. You have the link down in the description. Amazing offers, amazing deals out there. If you have some questions, also let me know in the comment section. I will answer you. And yeah, check out the links in the description and see you in the next video. Bye.